In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbers in Google Sheets. Whether you're doing a quick check or totaling a long list of expenses, I'll show you the two easiest ways to get accurate results, fast. Let's start with the quickest option. If you just need a one-off calculation, click into an empty cell and type an equals sign. Then type your numbers with a plus sign between them, like equals 5 plus 7. Press enter, and you'll see the total right away. This is perfect for quick math you don't plan to reuse. However, there's a smarter way when your numbers live in the sheet. Use cell references. Instead of typing the values themselves, type an equals sign. Click the first cell that contains a number you want to add, type a plus sign, then click the second cell. Press enter to finish. The big advantage here is that your result updates automatically. If you change either of those cells later, the total will recalculate on its own. It keeps your sheet accurate without any extra work. Now, if you're adding a long list, don't type 100 plus signs. Use the sum function. Click the cell where you want the total to appear, type equals sum, and open a parenthesis. Then, with your mouse, highlight the entire set of numbers you want to add. This could be a column or a block of cells, and close the parenthesis. Press enter, and you're done. You'll notice Google Sheets shows the range in the formula bar, something like A2 through A50. That's just telling you exactly which cells are being added. Another fast option is to highlight the numbers first, and then click the sigma icon in the toolbar. Sheets will insert the sum function for you, and place the result where it makes the most sense. Either way, it does all the math instantly and reduces the chance of errors. Here's a helpful pro tip for quick checks. If you only need to see a total without writing a formula, simply highlight the numbers. Look to the bottom right corner of your screen. Google Sheets automatically shows you the sum, along with the average and the count. It's perfect for a quick glance when you don't need the result saved in a cell. That's it. Use a quick equals sign for simple math, cell references for results that update, and the sum function or the sigma icon for longer lists. With these tools, adding numbers in Google Sheets becomes fast, flexible, and reliable.